This way, I don't have to work. Yes, on this.
Hare Krishna. Much puja.
Your own. Yes. Okay. He did a little quick. Yeah. Like he put a paper and he traced the paper.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Welcome to the class.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. I'm sure everybody has recited 2 shlokas nicely, right? Yeah. Can we quickly try to say first 2 shlokas all together?
Okay.
Yeah. I heard some of the recordings and you all are doing wonderful. Let's start together, okay? Quickly. Shri Bhagavanu Vacha Shakham Ashwatham Prahuravyayam Tansi Yasya Taparnani Very good. Verse 2. Wow, you all did amazing. You all already learned 2 shlokas. Thank you so much. So let's quickly go with our prayers and then we'll start our 3rd verse today. So, okay, let's start. So everybody knows where are the prayers? Okay, Vishwak and Avigna, do you both have Bhagavad Gita, this particular Bhagavad Gita at your home?
Yeah.
The one I'm showing you? Yeah, perfect. Wonderful. So do you know where are the prayers? It's on page number 1, introduction. Those who don't know, the prayers are on page number 1, introduction. And during prayers, you all can be on unmute and recite the prayers with me, okay? Om
Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah Chaitanya Namovistam Stapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupam Kadamayam Tadanti Sapadantikam
Dadati Swapadantikam
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yutapadakamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavacha Shri Rupam Savidatam Sahagana Raghunathan Vitantam Sanjeevam Sadvaitam Sadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhavitam Scha Hare Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deen Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gadu Krishna Kanta Radhakanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishapana Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Vancha Kalpataru Visha Kripa Sindhu Vevacha Patitana Bhavnebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo 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 Padaya Krishna Pashtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Ki Namaste Shateve Gauravani Pachane Nivishesha Nivadipati Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Hare
Kauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Shubhadrangi.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Jai. All little Vaishnav children ki jai. So thank you all of you for joining. Happy to see all of your beautiful faces. And those who are hiding behind the camera, please come on the camera. So we are on chapter 15. Let's go verse 3. Now verse 3 and 4. Yes, I know. I see the Hanuman right there. Yeah. Giridhari, I pray, you must pray for me that you are always in the mood of serving Lord Ram and you're always dressed up as Hanuman, You should pray for all the kids and especially me that we should also get this mood and we should always remember to become a servant of a servant of a servant of the Lord, So thank you, Giridhari, for giving your beautiful darshan of dressed up as Hanuman. Okay, beta?
Okay, Mataji, it's my duty.
Yeah, thank you so much. You see, Giridhari, he's always dressed up as Hanuman. He's so much in that mood, He reminds me of Kulashekar, where he's always ready to be in the pastimes, So Giridhari, thank you so much, beta, for giving your darshan.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, beta. So now in chapter 15, verse 3 and 4, the meanings have to be discussed together. We'll be discussing the meanings together, but I'm not sure if we can learn both the shlokas together today. We'll see how it goes. Otherwise, shloka we will learn tomorrow, but definitely meaning we'll learn today. Okay? Yes. So let's see here what Krishna is saying. Na rupam nasyeha tatopalabhyate nanto na chadir na cha sampratishtha ashvatthaменam suvirudha moolam asanga shastrena dridhena chitva tatah padam tat parimargitavyam yasmin gatana nivartanti bhuyah tameva chadyam purusham prapadye yatah pravrittihi prasrita purani. So let's see what Krishna is telling Arjuna here. In the verse 3, yes, Garima, open it. Verse 3, na rupam asyeha tathopalabhyate. Now you see, we have discussed this so many times where the word na comes, right? So na comes means what? Not, right? Second line also, if you all have shloka in front of you, it is nanto. Nanto is made of na anto. Okay. Na anto na cha adir. It is made of word na, not. So let's see where the not is coming, this word. Krishna is saying the real form of this tree, the banyan tree, cannot be perceived in this world. No one can understand where it ends, where it begins, or where its foundation is. So this particular tree, see the roots is upwards, we talked about it. And the extension of the real tree is at the other end. When entangled with the material expansions of the tree, one cannot see how far the tree extends, nor one can see the beginning of this tree. Right? You all see the tree, right? So in the picture, it might look very small to you, but we discussed that it extends very, very far. So similarly, in material sense, what Srila Prabhupada explains here beautifully, that one has to find out the cause. I am the son of my father. My father is the son of such and such a person. He is the son of somebody. Then he is the son of the grandfather. By searching in this way, one comes to Brahma, who is generated by Garbhodakashayi Vishnu. Finally, in this way, when one reaches the Supreme Personality of Godhead, that is the end of research work. So, since nobody knows that where is the beginning and ending of this particular tree, what one must do, how to get out of this tree? What does this mean? This tree actually represents the material world, right? How do we get out of this material world? Yesterday we discussed, some days we are in, Garima, leave it. Some days we are in demigod body. Someday we are in dog's body. Someday we are in human body, right? According to our karma, desires, fruitive actions and everything, what happens? We get a particular body in every life, right? and we are stuck in this material world, right? Now, so it's like wide branches of this tree, and we all are stuck here, right, on this tree. Okay, so we are just, it's an analogy, right? We are comparing, right? Simple kiddie language I'm trying to explain you all. So how to get out of this tree? So what Krishna is saying here, but with determination. Okay, so do you know how to cut the tree? How do we cut the tree?
With the axe.
With the axe, right? So Krishna is saying, but with determination, one must cut down this strongly rooted tree with the weapon of detachment. How to cut down this tree? How to cut down this tree? With the axe, right? And for us, what is that axe? That axe is weapon, the weapon of detachment, right? We are so much attached to our desires and to everything in this material world, right? All the relationships, even the material things, we are so much attached with everything. So what is Krishna saying? How to cut down this strongly rooted tree, right? Because why it's strongly rooted? Because of our strong material desires. How to cut down? By the weapon of detachment. And one has to search out that where is the origin of this tree, right? So in the shloka, Krishna is saying, see here, asanga shastrena dridhena chitva. So asanga shastrena, what does that mean? That means by the weapon of detachment. Dridhena. Dridhena means strong. Chitva means cutting. Then Krishna is saying thereafter in the next shloka, one must seek that place from which having gone, one never returns, and there surrender to that supreme personality of Godhead from whom everything began and from whom everything has extended since time immemorial. So what is Krishna saying in translation? That after cutting the tree with the axe of detachment, the weapon of detachment, one must find out where is the origin, right? By understanding this, one becomes gradually detached from the false reflection of reality. One must find out where is the supreme personality of Godhead. One has to, now how to find out? Through the association of persons who are in the knowledge of that supreme personality of Godhead, right? Right? Can I go to the Walmart checkout counter and ask them that who is the supreme personality of Godhead? Can he tell me? Kelly, can you tell me? Can I go to your toy store and your school teachers, and can I go to the Publix or Kroger or Walgreens pharmacy? Can they tell me who is the supreme personality of Godhead?
No.
Yes.
No.
So Srila Prabhupada clearly explains here that through the association of person, which person? Who have seen the truth, who are self-realized, who are in the knowledge of that supreme personality of Godhead, right? When we associate with them, then by understanding, one can gradually become detached, right? And we can understand who is the supreme personality of Godhead. And then one must seek that place from which once we go there, we never return, right? What is that place? What is that place?
Vaikuntha.
Cannot see.
World.
Spiritual world. Yes, spiritual world. So what do we do? So the first thing in order to even go to spiritual world is to surrender to him. How does one go to spiritual world? From where nobody returns back to this material world. In order to do that, one has to surrender to the Lord, right? Isn't it? So surrender is another most important thing here. The description of that place where having gone, one never returns to this false reflected tree is given here. So supreme personality of Godhead, Krishna, is the original root from whom everything has emanated. And to get there, one has to only surrender. And this is a result of performing devotional service by hearing, chanting, etc. Right? Krishna says in chapter 10, right? Chatur Shloki Bhagavad Gita, right? Aham sarvasya prabhavah. I am the origin of everything. As soon as one surrenders unto Krishna, one becomes detached automatically from this material extension. So for this kind of person who is surrendering to Krishna, who is automatically detached, what happens? This banyan tree doesn't exist for him anymore, because here banyan tree is also representing material desires, right? Right? Jumping from one species to another, to another, to another, to another, right? Today we do the pious activities. What will happen? We might be promoted to heavenly planet, right? Then when our account of pious activities is over, what will happen? We come back on earth and we become human. And in this human life, if we do degraded activities, sinful activities, then next life, what do we become? Cockroach, or a snake, or a pig, or a dog, or a cat, or a spider, right? Or a fish, whatever, right? So, but here Krishna is saying, come, come, come. You all can surrender to me quickly, right? Continue your devotional service. Continue hearing the pastimes of Krishna. Chant your rounds, chant your Hare Krishna Mahamantra nicely. Get detached, surrender to me. And then what happens? Where do we get to go? Without an airplane, we
Spiritual world.
get to go to the spiritual world, right? Yes. And also in this chapter, Krishna will be describing the spiritual world a little bit. Okay. In verse number 6 will come. Now, verse number 5, tomorrow we'll be discussing, and that verse will discuss how to surrender.
Can I say the shloka?
Okay? Later. Okay. So, give me 1 second. Okay. So, let's discuss the meaning of the shloka quickly. Na means not. Can you all see here? Rupam, the form. Asya, of this tree. Iha, in this world. Tatha, also. Upalabhyate, can be perceived. Na, never. Antaha, end. This banyan tree has no end, no beginning. Na, never. Cha, also. Adihi, beginning. Sampratishtha, the foundation. Ashwatham, right? Ashwatham, you all should know, right? The name banyan tree in Sanskrit is called as Ashwath. Ashwatham. Enam, this. Suviruddha, strongly. Moolam, rooted. Asanga shastrena, by the weapon of detachment. So we discussed this. Give me 1 second. So you all can see here in the slides, right? How do we cut the tree here? Can you all see? How do we cut the tree? With these kind of tools, right? The axe, right? One must cut down this strongly rooted tree with a weapon of, if it's a tree, then axe. But in our case, what is the axe? What is the tool? Detachment. Yes, detachment. Thereafter, what should one do? Do you all see the slides here? Having gone, one never returns. So find out the place. You see, this person is inquisitive. He's thinking, he's looking that where is my original father? Where, if I go, I will be forever happy. You know, I don't have to go through so much material sufferings. Where is my original father? So he see Garbhodakshai Vishnu, and then he see Radha Madan Mohan with Radharani in the spiritual world. From whom? Do you all see this slide? And there, surrender to that Supreme Personality of Godhead, from whom everything began, right? From whom everything is extended, right? Surrender, and you'll be always happy. Okay, so we are not doing 15th chapter today. Later. Okay, so let me stop sharing here. Okay. Krishna, they cannot see, please. Thank you, Vita. Okay, so we're going to go and recite our chapter, verse number 3. Yes. Okay, so we have 2 new kids in the class today. Let's welcome them quickly. Okay, Suvan and Nidhi, would you like to introduce yourself, beta?
My name is Nidhi.
Yes.
And my
How old
favorite color is yellow.
Okay, very nice. How old are you, beta?
I'm 7.
Oh, nice. And Suvan, am I pronouncing your name right?
It is Suvan.
Suvan.
Yes. I'm Suvan. I am 12 years old.
And how do you, 1 minute. Sorry about that. So yes, Suvan and Nidhi, we all are very, very happy to have you both. And if you all have any doubt, please do not feel hesitant to ask. You all can ask me, and later on, maybe tomorrow or today, I can call you guys and explain you the whole procedure, how it works. And can everybody welcome Suvan and Nidhi by saying 3 times Hari Bol? Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Haribol, Haribol, Haribol.
Okay, so everybody can come on unmute now, as long as you guys don't have any background noises. And does everybody have printout in their hands? If not printout, at least Bhagavad Gita, but I prefer everybody to have printouts. Okay, and today at the end of the class, please show me your drawings, okay? I'm sorry, who is speaking?
Mataji, we have a class. This is Shubhadra and Giridhari.
No problem, Meta. Then whenever you have class, you can leave. I know you have recited whole chapter, so I know. So that's perfectly fine, Beta. Okay. So I want everybody to have later balloon. Okay, later. So please, everybody have printouts. Okay, in a day or two, please get it printout. Okay. So let's go verse number 3. Narupam.
Narupam.
Okay. I think your microphone, if you can put a little far from you, because sometimes it gets a little louder and then I cannot hear other kids. You're fine, you're perfect. No complaints. Only thing is just put a little far. That way I can hear everybody. Okay, is that okay, Bhavya?
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you. So let's try to combine Rupam and Asyeha. Okay. Narupa. Okay, let me help you all. Narupam Asyeha.
Narupam Asyeha.
Okay, I think it's hard for you all, so let's do separate only. Okay. Narupam Asyeha.
Narupam Asyeha.
Tato palabhyate.
Palabhyate.
That's okay. Suvan and Nidhi, perfectly fine. If you already know the chapter and if you have different units, perfectly fine. Okay, no problem. Narupam Asyeha.
Narupam Asyeha.
Tato palabhyate.
Tato palabhyate.
Narupam
Narupam Asyeha.
Tato palabhyate.
Tato palabhyate.
Narupam Asyeha Tatho palabhyate.
Narupam
Narupam Asyeha Tatho palabhyate. Narupam Asyeha Tatho palabhyate. Tatho palabhyate.
Palabhyate.
Very good. Tatho palabhyate.
Tato palabhyate.
It's not tato, it's tatho. Tatho palabhyate.
Tato palabhyate.
Yes, very good. Nanto nachadir.
Nanto nachadir.
Nanto na chadir.
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 Nacha sampratishtha.
Nacha sampratishtha.
Try to say na and cha together, then it will sound proper in the tune, okay? Nacha sampratishtha.
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 Nanto na chadir nacha sampratishtha.
Nanto na chadir.
Nanto na chadir nacha sampratishtha.
Nanto na chadir.
Everybody got it?
Yeah.
Yes, good job. Ashwatthamenam.
Ashwatthamenam.
We are joining two words, okay? Ashwatthamenam.
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 Virudhamulam. Okay, so this is not viruddha. Okay, D has a dot. Do you all see D has a dot? So it becomes dha. Suvirudhamulam.
Suviduramulam.
Suvirudhamulam.
Suviduramulam.
Suvirudhamulam.
Suvirudhamulam.
Suvirudhamulam. Ashwatthamenam. Suvirudhamulam. Ashwatthamenam. Suvirudhamulam. Very good. Ashwatthamenam. Suvirudhamulam. Asangashastrena.
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 Asangashastrena. Can everybody hear me, or a background noise is coming?
I can hear you.
I can hear you.
I can hear you, Mataji.
Okay, is there any music coming in the background, or you all are good?
No, no music.
No music coming, right?
No music,
Okay.
Mataji.
Huh?
No music.
No music. Okay, perfect. Sorry, I forgot. Asangashastrena. Ridhena chitva. So do you all see there are two D's in this? First is the, second is dha. Okay, does first D has a dot under? No. right? Second D has a dot under. Do you all see it in your printouts or no?
Yeah.
You see, shloka also need a little perfection. Perfection in the sense, if you all don't pay attention, you know what you will say? Dridhena chitva. It's not dridhena. It's dridhena chitva.
Dridhena
chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Dridhena chitva.
Asanga shastrena 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 dridhena chitva.
Sorry. Asanga shastrena dridhena chitva.
Asanga
Asanga shastrena dridhena chitva. So, okay. So let's start from the beginning now. Okay. Okay. Wait. Just give me 1 second, all of you. न रूपम अस्येह तथोपलभ्यते. न रूपम अस्येह तथोपलभ्यते. नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा. नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा. Okay. So I know you all are feeling, oh Mataji, the words are little too much, or the words are little hard. I know in the beginning, you know what, when I was also learning, it was hard for me. Trust me. But you know, when you all do it all together with all the enthusiasm, we all will get it. Trust me, you all will become like parrots, you know, Radharani's parrots, Krishna's parrots, and you'll be speaking so beautifully. Okay. Do not think these are hard, these are difficult. They are not hard. You all will get it. Okay. Trust me. Yes. You all trust me? Yes. Together we all can do it. Yes or no?
Yes,
Show me a thumbs up. Can we all do it together? Yay. So that motivates me. Wonderful. So let's start. Okay. Ashwatthamenam suvirudhamulam. Asanga shastrena dridhena chitva. Very good. You all got it. Na rupam asyeha tathopalabhyate. Very good. Nanto na chade na cha sampratishtha. Ashwatthamenam virudhamulam. Okay. You all, my sleeping little cutie pies, all. It's not Virudha. I heard 2-3 little cutie sounds that it's Virudha. It's not Virudha. It's Virudha. Everybody, what is it?
Viruddha.
Yes, Viruddha. Very good. Viruddha Moolam.
Moolam.
Asanga Shastrena Dridhena Chitva. Good job. You all got it. Everybody ready for recitation? Repetition? Yes?
Yes, Mataji.
Can we all do it? Can we all do it?
Yes,
Okay. Go, Ranga. Go, Ranga.
Nityananda.
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 Okay. Let's start, okay? 1, 2. I want to hear everybody. I want to hear everybody, okay? Nobody is sleeping right now, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Rupam asya
Very good. 1, 2, 3.
Ashwatvinam saviruddhamulam
I'm not hearing Damodar. I'm not hearing Karthik. Karthik, come on, unmute. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Narupam
Rupam asyeha tatopalabhyate nanto na chadena cha sastrena dhritena chitva.
Very good. Last 2 times. 1, 2, 3.
Rupam asyeha tatopalabhyate nanto na chadena cha
Last time. 1, 2, 3.
Narupam asyeha tatopalabhyate
Wonderful. You all did amazing. And I'm sure everybody got these words. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, see, you all did it. You all are very smart. Okay. You all are amazing. Okay. So thank you, all of you. Now, everybody has to repeat this shloka 5 times before you all go to your Lala land, your cupcake land, your dreamland, your ice cream lands at night before you all cover up yourself with the blankets. Okay. And then make sure you all send me recording of verse 1, 2, and 3. All 3 together. Okay. And make sure you all draw the meaning of this, right? I showed you all pictures also. And you all can come up with your creativities. Can everybody show me yesterday's pictures quickly? I want to see everybody's pictures up. Let me see who is creative here, who is an artist here. I'm sure all are artists. All are wonderful artists here. I just want to see everyone's drawing. I see Vishwak and Avigna. Very good. Where is Chanvi? I see Chanvi. Wonderful. Damodar, where's your drawing? You didn't draw. That's not right. You must draw. I'll give you till tomorrow, okay? Where is everybody else? Where's my Krishna hiding? So where is Rudra, Harini? Everybody's drawing, okay? And it takes only 2 minutes. Okay, those who have not drawn, can everybody be ready by tomorrow with the drawings?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yay! I look forward to see everybody's drawing. You all don't have to feel bad that you all did not draw. That's okay. I understand sometimes you have homeworks and all that, but draw it by tomorrow. Is that okay? Can everybody will show? Will everybody show me tomorrow their drawings? Yes. Nice art. Yes, nobody is going to say, oh, you have drawn such a bad drawing. You are so worse. Nobody is going to say all that. Okay. However you draw is beautiful. Okay. But you must try to draw. Okay. So thank you all so much for joining. Yes. Okay. You can show your drawing quickly. So thank you all so much for joining. And tomorrow we'll be learning verse 4. We'll see if we are. Yes. Suvan and Nidhi, I'll explain you. That's Garima's drawing. She just want to show. Let me just
Took me
spotlight.
like 45 minutes.
Yes, Garima,
My
one
mom
second. Let me
ripped it a little
spotlight.
bit.
Okay.
We have to fix it.
Yes. So Garima drew this.
My mom ripped it a little bit while taking it out.
Okay. Yes. Beautiful. So Krishna says, I am the light of the moon, right?
It's
And
not
the verse,
light, it's
the
dark.
verse also will talk about sun and moon.
What's
Okay.
the verse
So
six?
yes, Sovan and Nidhi, whatever we are reading, I'll send you all the PDFs. Whatever we are discussing every day, we just try to be little creative and draw on the sides of the PDF in the drawing box. I'll send you the PDFs, dear. Okay. And has your mom joined the group, the Shloka group? If not, then I'll send the message. Okay? I'll send the PDFs. Okay. 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 So nice to see you all. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Love you all.
Bye.
Take care.
Hare Krishna.
Hare
Bye.
Krishna.
Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Bye, Mataji.